Have you ever seen an illustration like this on Instagram or on Pinterest and thought to yourself, wow, that's a dope illustration. I wonder how I can do something like that. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in just a few simple steps. I'll be using Corel Draw 2021 for this tutorial, but any Corel Draw can do. With that being said, let's jump right into it. So open your Corel Draw, create a new page, choose the size you want, for mine I'm just going to use 300 pixels by 300 pixels, and let's get started. Step 1, drag the image that you want to trace into the Corel Draw file that you have just created. Step 2, select the fourth tool on your toolbar, click on the drop down and select the B-Spline. Find any starting point on your image and start tracing from there. Trace your image by creating dots following your subject. When your line or shape is finished, just double click, it will release it from the B-Spline. Repeat the same process for all the shapes on your image. For mine, it's the mouth, the nose and the glasses, as well as the shape of the head. Double click to release the B-Spline if you want to move on to trace the next shape. When you're done tracing your subject, you can delete the image and you will have your illustration. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.